Hello friend, today in this video I will talk about the accent. Whenever we comes to speak the English language, we feel sometimes a problem whenever we watch the videos of some foreigners speaking in English language with different accents, such as you know that British accent is different while the USA accent is different. In this way, in each and every country where the accents are different, and when you comes to know that you know the English language, but whenever you listen the language of American people or British people, you feel some difficulty while understanding, and you think that you are not eligible to speak this language. If that same language or same sentences were spoken in your accent, perhaps you may understand. But whenever those sentences were spoken in American accent, you feel the problem. So in this way, don't feel the problem, I think. I don't like the accents of others people, because first of all, you should make yourself expert in your own accent. When you will become expert in your own accent, you will be automatically eligible to imbibe the accents of other nationalities. So never, whenever you want to speak the English language, never think of the accent, because it creates problem while learning the language. You can see that I am speaking my own accent, natural accent. I am not making the accents of other people in my speech, because I know that if I try to speak T to T or to, there are some, then I will feel problems. When I will become more fluent in my own accent, then automatically I will imbibe the accent of other nationalities. Because in here you can see that some people try to speak the accent of others people, and then when they try to speak the accent of others people, they also feel some problems while making the sentences in that accent. So if you are a beginner, don't try to accept the accent of others people. First of all, speak your own native accent. Speak the language in your native accent as you are. Then when you will be able to speak the fluent English, you can adopt the accents of other people. So don't feel shy while speaking your own accent. Main thing that speak very, very clearly. Your words should be clear to understand. If you make your words clear that others are understanding your speech, then it's okay. Don't try to. I have seen that some people on YouTube or others medium, you can see that they are teaching that how can you adapt the accents of others people. That is the good, but don't, when you are starting your English learning, don't accept the accent of other nationalities. First of all, make yourself fluent in your own accent, and then when you feel that you are able to speak fluently, then you can adapt the accent of other nationalities. Hope you find this video useful. If you find useful, please subscribe this channel. Also give your valuable suggestions so that we would make the other videos more better for you. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.